This is how to cook banakon or cobra.
Banakon.
First, you have to buy banakon, and then you put in the cellophane, and
Put in the
you make sure that
cellophane.
the cobra is dead, and you put it in your hand. Make
You
sure that the
put
cobra
it.
will not paak you. You have
Will
to
not paak
bukus
you.
it in your hand, and you bunit the ulo. Then
Bunit the
you
ulo.
lapwa the banakon in
You
the
lapwa.
very hot water, and then make sure that the panit of the banakon will
The
kuha,
panit of the banakon.
will lapwa to make the panit of the
lapwa.
banakon easy to langkat.
Easy
That's
to
right,
langkat.
just like that. Because the banakon has many himbis
Himbis.
that you need to kuha.
You
That
need
is the
to kuha.
lawas of the banakon, very long and very itom.
Very
is
itom.
How you himbis the lawas of the banakon. Just like
How
that.
you himbis.
Because the lawas of the banakon has very many himbis,
Very many.
like bangus. And there is no himbis anymore. The himbis is already removed, and you wash the banakon with water. And the banakon is clean. There is no himbis in the banakon. And you need to lukot the banakon.
Look.
Just like that. The banakon has no ulo anymore.
Has no ulo.
First, you need to pikas the lawas of the banakon, and you have to remove
Pikas the lawas.
abdo and the tinai. The banakon
and the
and the heart
tinai.
of the banakon. That is the heart of the banakon. It is moving. The heart of the banakon is galihok-lihok, and that is the abdo
Galihok-lihok.
of the banakon, and the white is the impilia of the banakon. There are many impilia of the banakon because the banakon is tambok. That's why there are many impilia get inside the lawas of the banakon.
Lawas
Like
of the
that.
banakon.
That is the sulod of the lawas of the banakon.
That
And
is the sulod.
you have to put in the planggana, the impilia,
Put in the planggana.
the lawas of the banakon will you